Welcome back to Afternoon Live. Make your appetizers the focal point of your next summer get-together. Here with some delicious ideas with a Thai twist is recipe creator Renee Fuentes is with us today. Renee, thanks for joining us.
Hi, thank you, Kara. Thanks so much for having me.
Well, you have some really delicious and good ideas. Way to keep it simple when we're entertaining this summer.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I mean, there's so much to do during the summertime. So the last thing I know I want to be stuck doing is cooking in the kitchen because, my kids want to go have fun and swim. So easy, fresh meals are to the rescue.
Well, show us a couple ideas.
Yeah, so we're going to do a really easy lettuce wrap, and then I'm also going to show you how to put them in a wonton cup. And I'm going to be using my favorite grocery store hack, which is a rotisserie chicken. Just pick one up from the grocery store while you're picking up the other ingredients, and no cooking required.
And do you bone it when you do it and then take off all the meat and just store it in your fridge? How do you like to do it?
Yeah, so I just got the rotisserie chicken and just shredded it up. My husband likes white meat. I like dark meat, so I got to keep it separated. But yeah, as soon as you bring it home, just shred it, and then it's ready to go.
And it's so good. Okay, you're making lettuce wraps?
Yeah, so I just have some butter lettuce leaves. I really like it because they're delicate and, not too crunchy. And then we're just going to load it up with the rotisserie chicken, put as much as or little as you want in each cup. And then if you want to make it even easier, you could buy like the tri-colored coleslaw, which has like the carrots and the cabbage already pre-shredded. But I shredded this up, so I'm just doing some shredded carrots. I just love all the colors and the way they look. I also finely shredded some purple cabbage, which is just beautiful and adds that pop of color to the lettuce wrap. And then we're going to do some cucumbers. And I like to dice and shred everything kind of fine because, when you're taking a bite of the lettuce wrap, you don't want to have to chew too much. So have everything diced up nice and fine. And then we have some scallions and some peanuts.
And you like to just lay these out on a platter, not even just make them before people come over even?
Yeah, you could definitely do that, or you can have people build their own, whichever you prefer. But as long as you have all the ingredients prepped out, it goes super quick. But the part that's really going to throw it over the top is a good Thai-inspired peanut sauce. So we're just going to make it really quickly. I have some creamy peanut butter, and then I just have some ginger that I grated. It just adds like a nice kind of fiery taste to it. And then I'm using a little bit of sesame oil. And then you can do rice vinegar or even apple cider vinegar works too, but that's going to give it a little bit of acidity. And I have exact measurements on my recipe, but I've made this so many times that I can just eyeball it. And another umami flavor bomb is fish sauce. I know not everyone feels comfortable using fish sauce, but trust me, it's just a little bit and it's going to add so much flavor. And for a little bit of heat, we're doing some sriracha.
What are people scared of with a fish sauce?
The smell is pretty pungent.
Yeah, that's true.
I've had this open, and now my kitchen smells like fish. I don't mind it, but I know some people don't care for it. But trust me, it's just a little bit, and it makes the sauce.
No, it's so true.
This is actually pretty thick. So I just have a little bit of just plain water, just to kind of thin it out. And this dressing will stay good in the fridge for a few days. So you can even make it ahead of time and then just have it whenever you need it.
That's good. So you're looking for what kind of consistency there?
Something that you can kind of drizzle or pour onto the lettuce wraps. So that way it's not too thick, but something like that. You could actually probably keep mixing it and keep adding some water, but just so it has, a little bit of sauce and gives all that chicken and veggies some really good flavor.
That looks so pretty.
What do you think? Do you like peanut sauce?
Oh,
Kara?
I love peanut sauce. Yeah, I'm a big condiment person, though. I'd be like scooping into it. So that's just enough for me. I'd have to make double 3 times.
My son was just dipping veggies into it. So, good. You can even do that. So if you wanted to make kind of like more of a party appetizer, these wonton cups are super easy to make. All you're going to need is a muffin tin and then just spray it with a little cooking spray. And these are wonton wrappers that you can get. I mean, I get them at a big box grocery store. You don't even have to go to an Asian store. And then you're just going to put it right into the cupcake tin, like so. And then you're going to spray it a little bit with more oil and then bake them at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And then they turn out just like this. And they're just like nice and crispy. So then you can put all of the same ingredients, the rotisserie chicken and all the veggies and the peanut sauce right into these wonton cups.
And look, it's the same thing, just a little crunchy treat.
Yeah, kind of like an easier, like hearty appetizer, you know, like you said, if you wanted to make a platter, those would probably be a better idea.
So pretty. Thank you, Renee.
Yeah, you're welcome. And like I said, there's no cooking involved. Just pick up a rotisserie chicken and, you know, it looks like you have a gourmet appetizer.
Yeah. The same ingredients used for two things, which is quick and easy too. Thank you.
Exactly. Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for having me, Kara.
Oh, absolutely. We're going to have these recipes, everyone, and more information about Renee on our website at KATU.com. Don't go away. We'll be right back with more Afternoon Live right after this.